Hi, do you have a minute? I wanted to talk about the noise levels at night.
Oh, hi. Was I being too loud? I didn't realize.
Yeah, it's mostly around 9 or 10 p.m. There's a lot of loud music and heavy bass.
I'm so sorry. My kids were playing video games. I'll make sure they use headphones from now on.
I appreciate that. I have to wake up early for work, so I really need it to be quiet by 9.
Totally understandable. It won't happen again. Thanks for letting me know nicely. Good morning. I'd like to apply for a credit card, but I don't have an account here. Is that okay?
Good morning. Yes, that's fine. I'll just need your ID and proof of income.
Here's my ID and my recent pay stubs. Which card do you recommend?
I recommend our Gold Rewards card. You earn points on every purchase.
Is there an annual fee?
It's $49, but the first year is free. You also get a 5,000-point bonus if approved this month.
That sounds good. How long does approval take?
Just a few minutes. Let's fill out the application now.
Great. Let's do it.
Great, let's do it. Hi, I have 5 items for a deep clean today.
Sure thing. Any specific stains we should know about?
Yes, this white shirt has a nasty coffee stain, and the jacket has an oil spot on the sleeve.
We'll pre-treat those before the wash. What about this blue shirt?
That one just needs a refresh, but please be careful with the dress. It's very delicate.
No problem. It'll be ready tomorrow after 5 p.m. The total comes to $28.
Perfect. Can you guarantee the jacket won't shrink?
We use a professional dry cleaning method that prevents shrinking. Don't worry. Hi, I'm here to apply for my first driving license. Where do I start?
Welcome. First, you'll need to pass the written knowledge test.
What kind of questions are on it?
Mostly traffic signs, safety rules, and speed limits. It's 40 questions. You need 80% to pass.
And after that, the road test?
Exactly. You'll need to bring your own car, or you can rent one from us for $50.
Any tips for the road test? I'm a bit nervous.
Just stay calm. Check your mirrors constantly, use your blinkers, indicators, and watch your speed.
Can I practice here at the DMV parking lot?
Unfortunately, no. You must practice on public roads with a licensed driver.
Got it. Let's start with the written test then. Excuse me, my suitcase hasn't come out on the belt yet.
I'm sorry to hear that, sir. Which flight were you on?
Flight 325 from Chicago. I've been waiting for over 30 minutes.
I understand your frustration. Let's check the system. Can you describe the bag?
It's a black suitcase with a bright red tag and a name tag that says Jason.
Got it. Is there anything urgent inside?
Yes, my laptop and some important work documents.
Okay, I'll mark this as a high priority case. We usually locate bags within 24 hours.
That's a long time, but I hope you find it. Will you deliver it to my house?
Yes, absolutely. Delivery is free of charge. Here is your reference number.
Thank you. I'll be waiting for your call. Hello. Good morning. Are you the delivery recipient?
Good morning. Yes, that's me.
Great. I have a package for you. I just need to confirm your name, please.
Sure. My name is Sarah Miller.
Thank you, Miss Miller. May I see your ID for verification?
Of course. Here you go.
Perfect. Thank you. Everything matches. Here is your package.
Finally, I've been waiting for this since morning.
I'm sorry for the wait. Before I hand it over, I need your digital signature.
No problem. Where should I sign?
Right here on the screen, please.
All right, done.
Thank you very much. Please note this package is fragile.
Oh, okay. I'll be very careful with it.
Would you like help carrying it inside?
That's very kind of you, but I think I can manage.
All right. If you need anything, feel free to ask.
Thank you. I really appreciate your help.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Stay safe.